Welcome to lesson 2 of indefinite integrals for JEE Mains and Advanced 2022-2023. So let's go ahead with the topic for the day. Before we start, just a quick reminder once again, if you have not yet downloaded our innovative app, ODA app, make sure that you can download it from the Play Store now itself. And also those who are downloading it, you will be getting a lot of coins which can be used for getting smartwatch, smart mobile, etc. And one more quick reminder, if any of you are interested in a 6-day program with us, don't forget to enroll for the booster course from our app. It's a 6-day program, 3 maths class and 3 science class will be given to you. Daily homework, daily test papers and the course material will be given along with the personal teacher support for you. Alright, so you know about me. I did my BTech in Mechanical Engineering from NIT Rourkela and have been teaching students preparing for JEE from the past 6+ years. Okay, so in the previous class we had done very basic questions. Now we will start adding up. You will slowly start seeing, more conceptual and, more tricky questions coming into play. So you can consider this as level 2 coming into play today. So let's see. Okay, so this is a basic question to find the integral of. So you have to find the integral of x square into 1 minus 1 by x square. So what can we do here? Let's open the bracket. When you open the bracket, what will this change to? This will change to x square minus x square into 1 by x square is 1. So this will basically change to integral x square minus 1 dx, right? So what is integral x square? So you can split this as two integrals, integral x square minus integral 1, right? So integral x square dx minus integral 1 dx. You can fairly split it like this. Correct or not? So what is integral x square? Integral x square is x cube divided by 3 minus integral of 1 dx is in x plus c. This should be the answer. So the final answer will be x cube by 3 minus x plus c. This has to be the right answer for you. Again, find the integral of root x minus 1 by root x the whole square. So how can we do this kind of a question? This might look difficult, but it's very simple. Stick to the basics. Let's apply a minus b the whole square formula here. So what will this change to? The same integral. You can also write the same integral as integral of root x the whole square is x plus 1 by root x the whole square is 1 by x minus 2 times of root x into 1 by root x will be just a 2 and the dx will remain the same. Correct? So this should be, so what will you do? You can integrate each terms individually now. What is integral of x? Integral of x is x square divided by 2 plus integral of 1 by x is log mod x minus integral of 2 is 2x plus c. This should be the final answer for you, right? So you can write the answer as x square by 2 plus log mod x minus 2x plus c. This has to be the answer for you. So let's move on to the next question. Very simple question again. Integral of x cube plus 5x square minus 4 divided by x square. This is the question again, right? So always try to convert it into simple forms. That means forms whose formula is known to us. Okay. So integral of x cube plus 5x square minus 4 whole divided by x square. You can write the same thing as equal to integral of x cube by x square plus 5x square by x square minus 4 by x square dx. Correct? You can split it like this. So what is x cube by x square? X cube by x square is x. 5x square by x square is 5 minus 4 by x square is 4x raised to minus 2. Right? Because 1 by x square is same as x raised to minus 2. So you can write it like this. Now what will we do? Just like previous cases, you will start integrating each term individually. So what is integral of x? You know that integral of x will be alright. So integral of x here will be x square divided by 2 because x raised to 1 is x raised to 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. You have to by heart the formulas here. Plus integral of 5 is 5x minus 4 into x raised to minus 2 integral will be x raised to minus 1 divided by minus 1 plus the c. Correct? It's all gone? Okay. No, it's here, right? So x square divided by 2 plus 5x minus 4 into x raised to minus 1 divided by minus 1 plus c, don't forget to put it. So this should be equal to x square divided by 2 plus 5x plus 4x raised to minus 1. You know that x raised to minus 1 is 1 by x, right? Plus c, this minus into minus will become plus over here. So the answer is x square divided by 2 plus 5x plus 4 by x plus c. This has to be the answer for you. Alright, now let's move to the next integral. Integral of x cube plus 3x plus 4 whole divided by root of x. How can you do this? You can write this as equal to integral of x cube by root x is actually x raised to 1 by 2, right? Plus 3x divided by x raised to 1 by 2 plus 4 divided by x raised to 1 by 2 and the whole thing into dx. This is what you will be having. So this is equal to integral of x cube divided by x raised to 1 by 2 is x raised to 5 by 2. Correct? X raised to 5 by 2 plus 3 into x raised to 1 by 2 again plus 4x raised to minus 1 by 2. And dx you can write it like this because 4 by x raised to 1 by 2 is x raised to 1 by 2 can be written as, or 1 by x raised to 1 by 2 can be written as x raised to minus 1 by 2. This is a basic application of laws of exponents is happening here. So what is x raised to 5 by 2? Integral of x raised to 5 by 2 is x raised to 5 by 2 plus 1. Which formula? Integral of x raised to n is x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So integral of x raised to 5 by 2 is x raised to 5 by 2 plus 1, which is x raised to 7 by 2 whole divided by 5 by 2 plus 1, which is whole divided by 7 by 2, plus 3 times of integral of x raised to 1 by 2 is x raised to 3 by 2 again. How? X raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 whole divided by 3 by 2. Don't forget, because integral of x raised to n is x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Very direct application of formula. Plus 4 times of again x raised to 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 plus c. This is what you will have. Correct? So this should be equal to, you can write this as x raised to 7 by 2 divided by 7 by 2 is 2 by 7 times of x raised to 7 by 2. You can fairly write it like this. Plus this 3 and 3 cancels. What are you left with? You will be left with 2, right? So 2x raised to 3 by 2 will be left. Here again 4 divided by 1 by 2, which will be plus 8x raised to 1 by 2 plus the c you will get. This will be the answer. Is this clear to all of you? Just the basic algebra if you know, and if you know the formula, you can do all these questions very easily. Fine. Next one. Find the integral of x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 whole divided by x minus 1. Alright. So let's observe carefully. In the numerator, here x minus 1 is there. In the last two terms, there is an x minus 1. Now in the first two terms also, can you bring in an x minus 1? That should be your thought process. So let's check. So this can be written as equal to integral of, in x cube minus x square, let's take an x square common, okay? So when you take an x square common, what will this be? It will become x minus 1 plus x minus 1 whole divided by x minus 1 times of dx. This is what you will have. So this is equal to integral of x square into x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 will be just x square, because in these two terms, in x square into x minus 1, you are dividing it by x minus 1. So x square will be left, and plus x minus 1 by x minus 1 will be 1. So this question, won't it change to integral of x square plus 1 dx? Isn't it a much more clearer picture now? Correct? It's much more clear now, right? So x square into x minus 1 plus x minus 1, what will you do? You can cancel off x minus 1 here, x minus 1 here. When you cancel off x minus 1 here, it is x square. When you cancel off x minus 1 here, it is 1. So the question reduces to integral of x square plus integral of 1. What is integral of x square? It is x cube divided by 3 plus integral of 1 is x plus c. This should be the answer for you. I hope it is clear to everyone. So the answer will be x cube divided by 3 plus x plus c. This has to be the final answer here. Next question. Integral of 1 minus x into root x. How will we do this? Open the bracket. What does it become? It will become root x minus x into root x. Actually x is x power 1. So, and root x is x power 1 by 2. X into x power 1 by 2 will be x power 3 by 2, right? So, and the dx will be present here. So what will this change to? This will easily change to integral of root x is integral of x raised to 1 by 2 is x raised to 1 by 2 plus 1, which is x raised to 3 by 2 whole divided by 3 by 2, minus integral of x raised to 3 by 2 is x raised to 3 by 2 plus 1, which is x raised to 5 by 2 whole divided by 5 by 2 plus c. Is it clear? Just opening the bracket and applying the formula of integral x power n is x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So integral of x power 1 by 2 is x power 1 by 2 plus 1, which is x power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 minus x power 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2. So what does this become? This will become 2 by 3 times of x power 3 by 2 minus 2 by 5 times of x power 5 by 2 plus c. This should be the final answer for you. Very simple question. This has changed to now. Yes? Yeah. Next question. Integral of sec x into sec x plus tan x dx. Very simple question again. When you observe, oh, it's going to be difficult. No. Remember, you know the formulas. In differentiation, there is sec square, sec x into tan x. You can easily find that here. Let's open the bracket. Okay. When you open the bracket, what is sec x into sec x? It is sec square x plus sec x into tan x. This is what you will get when you open the bracket, and there will be a dx. So let's integrate. What is integral of sec square x? You know that integral of sec square x is tan x. Why? Because tan x derivative is sec square x. Plus what is integral of sec x into tan x? Integral of sec x into tan x is sec x. Why? Because derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x. So you will get tan x plus sec x plus c will be the answer for you. Is this clear to all of you? So the answer will be tan x plus sec x plus c. Is this perfectly clear to everyone? Alright. Next question. Integral of sec square x divided by cosec square x dx. Now again this can look a bit confusing, but it's very easy. Let's do a bit of transformation and convert it into forms which are integrable. So integral of sec square x. Can I write sec square x as 1 by cos square x whole divided by, can I write cosec square x as 1 by sin square x? You can write it like this, and dx. You can fairly write it like this. So that will change to integral of sin square x divided by cos square x dx. Correct? This is what it changed to, right? What is sin square x by cos square x? It is tan square x. So this is integral of tan square x dx. You know that sec square x minus tan square x is 1. So can I write tan square x as sec square x minus 1? You can fairly write it like this. Yes or no? Integral of sec square x minus 1. So what is integral of sec square x? You know that we have done in the previous question also. Tan x is integral of sec square x minus integral of 1 is x plus c. So the answer will be tan x minus x plus c. This should be the answer for you, because tan x derivative is sec square x and integral of 1 is x plus c. That's it, done. Again, integral of 2 minus 3 sin x divided by cos square x. How can we handle this question? Integral of 2 minus 3 sin x whole divided by cos square x. Let's do a transformation here. This can be written as 2 by cos square x. You know that 1 by cos square x is how much? Sec square x. So this is 2 sec square x minus 3 times of sin x by cos x is tan x into 1 by cos x is sec x. You can write it like this, correct? Because you are splitting it. You are dividing each term by cos square x here. So this is equal to, and don't forget to put the dx. Variable of integration is very important. So this is 2 times of, what is integral of sec square x? You know that integral of sec square x in the previous question also we have done. It is tan x, right? Minus 3 times of, what is integral of sec x into tan x? It is sec x, right? So it is minus 3 sec x plus c will be the answer. So 2 tan x minus 3 sec x plus c has to be the right answer here. Is it clear? 2 tan x minus 3 sec x plus c will be the final answer. Alright. Now more interesting question. Now we are going to level 2. You know, within that a sub-level A you can say. We are going to next level of questions now. Directly, what is integral of e raised to x? What is integral of a raised to x dA? You know integral of a raised to x is a raised to x by log a, right? But here the question is, what is integral of a raised to x dA? So what is the variable here? Here the variable is a. Remember, here the variable is not x, variable is a, because dA shows the variable of integration here is a. So remember, so isn't it same as something like x raised to n? Instead of x you are having a. You have to understand this. Here the variable is a. Very important thing. Everyone understand. Here the variable, it is a. So integral of a raised to x dA. What can this be? This will be equal to a raised to x plus 1, because x will act as a constant here. Remember, here x will act as a constant and a will act as the variable. So it will be a raised to x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 plus c should be the answer. Is this clear to all of you? Why I have done this? Because most students get confused. They will directly write a raised to x by log a plus c. But here the variable is a. So it will be, you should treat a as the variable and x as a constant. So it will become a raised to x plus 1 by x plus 1 plus c. Fine. Next one. Find the primitive of x square plus 2 with respect to x square plus 1. That means, see, what is integral sin x dx? That means integration of sin x with respect to x. Now, here what they are asking, with respect to x square plus 1. Let us write this as a question, okay? This is integral of x square plus 2 with respect to, that means d of x square plus 1. This is what you have, right? This is basically the question. Instead of the variable x, with respect to x square plus 1. So, integral of x square plus 2 d of x square plus 1. This is what you have. So, here what we do? We have to do a substitution here. Let's do a substitution here as, let t be equal to x square plus 1. Okay, let us put x square plus 1 as a t here. So what is x square plus 2? X square plus 2 will be t plus 1, right? Because t is already x square plus 1. To that you have to add a 1 to get x square plus 2, correct? So this x square plus 2 can be written as t plus 1 into d of, what is x square plus 1? That is t. So now it is a properly integrable form with the variable t. So this will be equal to integral of t dt, which is t square divided by 2, plus integral of 1 dt is t plus c. Are we done yet? Don't forget, t is something which we introduced. So you have the moral responsibility to convert it in terms of x. Okay, so this will change to t is how much? X square plus 1, right? So it will be x square plus 1 the whole square divided by 2, plus again t is x square plus 1 plus c. This should be the final answer for you. I hope it is clear to all of you, because t value was x square plus 1. So this will change to x square plus 1 the whole square divided by 2. This is divided by 2 plus x square plus 1 plus c will be the answer for you. I hope it is clear to everyone. Next one. You all know integral of e raised to x is e raised to x itself. Now remember, now integral of e raised to a linear function, do you see? Linear means first degree variable of x, right? First power of x. So here what you do, just like the normal e raised to x, first you will write e raised to ax plus b. Had it been differentiation, what you do? All of you know, had it been differentiation, you will multiply this with the derivative of ax plus b, correct? But here, since it is integration, what should you do? You should not multiply, you should divide it with the derivative of ax plus b. What is derivative of ax plus b? It is only a, right? Plus c, because b is a constant, its derivative is 0, and ax plus b's derivative is a itself. So it will become e raised to ax plus b whole divided by a plus c will be the answer for you. Clear everyone? Alright, then let's do one more question. You know what is integral of a raised to x? Integral of a raised to x is a raised to x by log a. Correct. So what will we do here? You will do the same. So it will be a raised to, instead of x there is what? Px plus q divided by log of a, that is done. Correct. A raised to x by log a is what you have. So log a you have done. But again, what should you do? You should divide it with the derivative of px plus q. What is derivative of px plus q? It is p. So the answer will be a raised to px plus q divided by log a into p. Very important thing. Clear to all of you? So if you want, you can write this also as a raised to px plus q divided by, you know that log of a raised to m is m log a, right? So if you want, you can write it as log of a raised to p also. You can write it like this, plus c. Should be the answer. Don't forget to put c everywhere, okay? Fine. Next question. Integral of e raised to log of root x. Now let me ask you a question. What is e raised to log of f of x? Always remember, e raised to log of f of x is always f of x. Correct? E raised to log of a function is that function itself. Correct? So what is e raised to log of root 2? It is log of root x. It is root x itself. Because e raised to log of f of x is f of x itself. So e raised to log of root x is root x itself. So this question changes to integral of root x dx. That is integral of x raised to 1 by 2 dx, which will be x raised to 1 by 2 plus 1, which is x raised to 3 by 2 whole divided by 3 by 2 plus c. Correct? Because this question changes to integral of x raised to 1 by 2, which is x raised to 1 by 2 plus 1, which is x raised to 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus c, which is 2 by 3 times of x raised to 3 by 2 plus c will be the answer for you here. I hope it is clear to everyone. Integral of e raised to log mod x will be 2 by 3 times of x raised to 3 by 2 plus c. Again, what is integral of root of 2x plus 3? Fair enough. You can write this as equal to integral of 2x plus 3 whole raised to 1 by 2. Can't I write it like this? Yes. What is integral of x raised to 1 by 2? It should be x raised to 1 by 2 plus 1. So, taking the inspiration from there, what is the integral of 2x plus 3 whole raised to 1 by 2? It should be 2x plus 3 whole raised to 1 by 2 plus 1, which is 3 by 2 whole divided by 3 by 2. Are we done yet? No. Then you should divide this whole thing by the derivative of 2x plus 3, correct? Because it is a reverse process of differentiation. What is the derivative of 2x plus 3? It is 2, so you will divide it by 2. So 2 and 2 cancels. What are we left with? 1 by 3 times of 2x plus 3 whole raised to 3 by 2 plus c will be the final answer for you. I hope it is clear to all of you what I have done. Very important. We are slowly making the shift from normal questions to slightly difficult questions here. Okay. So what we have done, I am repeating again. 2x plus 3, root of 2x plus 3, I can write it as 2x plus 3 whole raised to 1 by 2. That is equal to 2x plus 3 whole raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. Applying the integration formula, whole divided by 3 by 2. Then you will divide it by a 2 again. Why? Because you should divide it by the derivative of 2x plus 3. Derivative of 2x plus 3 is 2. So cancelled off, katak, the answer will be 1 by 3 times of 2x plus 3 whole raised to 3 by 2 plus c. This should be the answer for you. Alright, next question. What is integral of dx divided by root of 2x plus 3 minus root of 2x minus 3? How will we find this? This should be equal to, let's do one thing, let's do the rationalization of the denominator. So let's multiply numerator and denominator with the conjugate of denominator, which is root of 2x plus 3 plus root of 2x plus 3. Denominator also you will do the same circus. That means root of 2x plus 3 minus root of 2x minus 3 is what is there. Sorry, here it was 2x minus 3. This is 2x minus 3. So you are multiplying numerator and denominator with the conjugate of it. That is root of 2x plus 3 plus of root of 2x minus 3. Correct? This is what you will have. That is equal to, it means this is equal to integral of root of 2x plus 3 plus root of 2x minus 3 whole divided by, applying a plus b into a minus b, what will be left with? 2x plus 3 minus of 2x minus 3. Correct or not? So it will be just 6 you will be left with. All of you know, I hope everyone knows how to multiply. You can apply a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square, which is 2x plus 3 minus of 2x minus 3, which will be 1 by 6. So you'll get like this. Now you can integrate this further, right? I hope everyone have noted down till here whatever is here you have noted down. Fine. Yes. So I am going over here. So this will be 1 by 6 times of 2x plus 3 whole raised to 1 by 2. You can write it like this, plus 1 by 6 times of 2x minus 3 whole raised to 1 by 2. You can write it like this. Integral of this and the dx. Remember, and the dx is there. This is what we will be having, right? So that is equal to 1 by 6 times of, what is integral of 2x plus 3 whole raised to 1 by 2? We have done that already. It should be 2x plus 3 whole raised to 1 by 2 plus 1, which is 3 by 2 whole divided by 3 by 2. Are we done yet? No. This thing should again be divided by the derivative of 2x plus 3. Derivative of 2x plus 3 is 2. You can write it like this. Again, plus 1 by 6 times of 2x minus 3 whole raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 whole divided by 3 by 2 into again derivative of 2x minus 3 is 2 again. You can write it like this. 2 and 2 cancels here, 2 and 2 cancels. So what are we left with? In both the cases there will be, final answer will be 1 by 6 and 3 combines. It is 1 by 18 times of 2x plus 3 whole raised to 3 by 2 plus 2x minus 3 whole raised to 3 by 2 plus c. This should be the answer. Very important question. I hope it is clear to everyone present here. Okay, all of you, if it is not clear, just go back, watch each step, stop for a while and try to understand what I have done here. What I did first, I rationalized the denominator. Then it was converted to very easily integrable form like this. That's all what I have done here. Okay. Next one. What will be integral of a raised to x into b raised to x dx? How can you do this? You can write this as integral of ab whole power x dx. Correct? You can write this as integral of ab whole power x dx. See, ab is a constant here, right? And the variable is dx. This is same as integral of a raised to x dx, which is a raised to x divided by log a. So instead of a raised to x, what do you have? ab whole raised to x divided by log of, instead of a, log of ab plus c you will have, that's it. So ab whole raised to x divided by log of ab plus c will be the answer for you. Correct? That's it. Again, next question. Very important question. Listen carefully, very carefully everyone. You need to find the integral of 2 raised to x plus 5 raised to x divided by 2 raised to x into 5 raised to x. So you can write it as 2 raised to x divided by 2 raised to x into 5 raised to x plus 5 raised to x divided by 2 raised to x into 5 raised to x. And the dx you can write. Is this clear to all of you? So that is equal to 2 raised to x and 2 raised to x cancels. So this is integral of, you can write it as 1 by 5 whole raised to x. You can fairly write it like this. Yes or no? We can write it as integral of 1 by 5 whole raised to x. Fairly you can write it like this, because 2 raised to x and 2 raised to x got, it is 1 divided by 5 whole raised to x you can write, because 1 by 5 raised to x is same as 1 by 5 whole raised to x. Plus again 5 raised to x, 5 raised to x cancels, and you are left with 1 by 2 raised to x, which is same as 1 by 2 whole raised to x. Dx you will get like this, yes or no? So what is the integral of 1 by 5 whole raised to x? Isn't it same as a raised to x? Instead of a there is 1 by 5. So it is 1 by 5 whole raised to x divided by log of 1 by 5. Correct? Plus 1 by 2 whole raised to x divided by log of 1 by 2. Plus c, you will get it like this. Is this clear to all of you? So it is 1 by 5 whole raised to x divided by log of 1 by 5 plus 1 by 2 whole raised to x divided by log of 1 by 2 plus c. So this can even be written as 1 by 5 whole raised to x divided by log of 5 raised to minus 1, right? You can write it like this if you want. Okay, 1 by 5 whole raised to x divided by log of 5 raised to minus 1 plus 1 by 2 whole raised to x divided by log of 2 raised to minus 1. And this negative can be taken outside also. So you can write this also as minus of 1 by 5 whole raised to x divided by log 5 minus 1 by 2 log raised to x divided by log 2 plus c. You can write it like that also. So depending on the option, you simplify it further. That's it. Okay. So again, integral of e raised to 5x plus e raised to 3x divided by e raised to x plus e raised to minus x. This is the next question in front of you. So can I write this as integral of e raised to 5x plus e raised to 3x whole divided by e raised to x plus 1 by e raised to x dx. You can write it like this. Correct or not? So that is equal to integral of e raised to 5x plus e raised to 3x whole divided by e raised to 2x plus 1 whole divided by e raised to x. You can take it to the top. This is what it will change to. Correct or not? So that is equal to, let's do one thing. Let's take an e raised to 3x common from the numerator. Okay, so this can be written as e raised to 3x into e raised to 2x plus 1 into e raised to x is still there. That means in this and this I am taking e raised to 3x common. Whole divided by e raised to 2x plus 1 dx. Don't forget to put dx and the integration symbol. So you can fairly cancel off e raised to 2x plus 1 and e raised to 2x plus 1. So what are we left with? We are left with integral of e raised to 3x into e raised to x. That is integral of e raised to 4x dx, right? What is integral of e raised to 4x dx? That should be e raised to 4x divided by 4 plus c has to be the answer. Is this clear to all of you? So this is e raised to 4x divided by 4 plus c will be the answer for you. Is this clear to each and everyone here? Fine, fair enough. Next question. This is a tricky question. Integral of x divided by a plus bx dx. This is a question. Okay. So how we will handle this is, listen carefully. Okay. Try to practice these questions once again. Because this is the linear function divided by linear function. Try to practice it once again so that you get better with it. So this can be written as, see, in the denominator there is bx. In the numerator only x is there. So to bring in this, what I am doing is, I am dividing numerator and denominator by a b. So what does it become? It will become 1 by b times of bx divided by a plus bx. You can write it like this. No one will stop you. What I did it? I multiplied numerator and denominator by a b. So what will this become? This will become 1 by b times of integral of. Now in the denominator there is an a. So how can you bring a in the numerator? You can write it as plus a minus a whole divided by a plus bx. Yes or no? No one will stop you if you are writing it like this, because plus a and minus a also cancels. This kind of a very important manipulation is very important to solve this kind of questions. Very, very important. So what will we do here? You can do like this again. This can be written as equal to 1 by b times of integral of, let's split bx plus a and bx plus a in the denominator will become 1 minus a divided by a plus bx. You can write it like this. Correct? Minus a divided by a plus bx dx. You can write it like this. So this is equal to 1 by b times of integral of 1 dx is x. Correct? Minus a into integral of 1 divided by a plus bx. What is integral of 1 by x? Log x, right? So it will be log mod of a plus bx. This is log mod of a plus bx. Are we done it? No. Then you should divide it by the derivative of a plus bx, which is b again. Plus c will be the answer. So this will be, the right answer will be 1 by b times of x minus a into log mod of a plus bx divided by b plus c. So I hope this is clear to everyone. Now two more questions are there. I am giving this as homework. All of you can note that integral dx divided by x square minus 5x plus 6 and x power 4 divided by x plus 1 dx. These are two questions there in front of you. where you have to find it on your own. Next class I will be solving. Before that, all of you try it on your own. It's an interesting question. And before I end the second lesson, once again I am reminding you, if someone is interested for our booster course, which is a 6-day program, you can press on the link in the description box and enroll now itself. The price will vary from 29, 49 or 99 depending on which grade you are in. Alright? So it was wonderful teaching you all. We'll meet again. Until then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and share it with all your friends. Bye bye. Have a nice time, my dear friends.